All right, here we go. Here we are, finally, with another one of these. been it's actually been a while, but okay. Yeah. So, hold on. Let me just getting stuff started, and we'll get to be code. Then we'll get to the coding. Well, technically, well, it might not be coding, but we'll be definitely working on this program that I'm making. Anyway, I think I should probably get rid of that screen, and here we are back in this thing. So, so off screen, I actually made a crosshair. I guess I can go ahead and open it up, but actually, no, it's okay. I can just, yeah, I'm just gonna. I think most of what I'm gonna be doing actually on this episode is actually work on a UI mainly because that's actually I believe that's where I actually need to work. That's what I need to do. So yeah, player. I think that where's player? Okay, I need to actually see the bounds of player info. Player info is the whole entire screen. Wow. Okay. So I guess what I can do is that I could put the crosshair. I think yeah. We'll make a panel UI panel. This will have an image, and this will. Okay, sure. Set that to none. Let me put excuse me. Or should it, oh wait, hold on, maybe it's not a panel, maybe a image. There we go. Then we just, what? Hold on, what? Why isn't this working? Okay, hold on, what? Your default UI sprite? Question mark, is that the reason why? There we go. Finally, okay, that was weird. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's make this a bit smaller, right? I think it's a bit too big, 64 by 64. I still think that's a little big. Let's check. Yeah, I think that's a little too big. Let's do 32 by 32. Let's try it. Let's look at it now. It really looks like a gun crosshair. I think that's okay. But yeah, maybe hopefully this will make things easier to see when yeah, that definitely helps a lot more in telling where I'm actually aiming at. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, yeah. Whoops. Let's go ahead and build. Let's just build something. All right, here we go. Yeah. Yay, we finally have that. All right, next is what I want to do is, what are the other, I need to check my scripts. Mode manager, what are the, I need to know what are the different type of modes that I have. So we currently have view, build, and simulate. Simulate. I guess I know what that is. It's been a while. I think I might need to do a bit. I might need to change this. I might need to change this to edit. Another one to edit, and then simulate. There we go. Since simulate is the last one, we can still go back and say this should still work. But yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me just test. Build, edit, simulate, view. Okay, good. So yeah, I need to make sure that, okay, let me go to block interact now. Let me make sure that this is case and build. Okay, then for this one, we're also going to have a case mode edit. That's what we're going to do next. In this case, we want to actually be able to change the name of the object. All right, but let me go into the place block. Here we go. Okay, I actually think I want to make this a game object. However, oh, okay, hold on. Let me look. What are my managers right now? I think I might need another manager for a. I'll call this block manager. This will handle the blocks that you place down. So let me open that up. Don't believe I will be needing system.collections.generic. So I'll just put that down there because that's what I want. Block manager, yes, it's mono behavior. Come on. This is mono behavior. I'll just get rid of this really quickly. And this will be a public static block manager, and the name will be script. And void awake, void awake, and then we need to put private there. Script equals this. There we go. Don't need to see this anymore, so I'll just kind of do that. Anyway, so what I'm going to do here is actually have a public dictionary, one of a string and another of a game object. So this is equal to a new dictionary. I forgot to give it a name. This will be the blocks. I'll do it like that. This is equal to a new dictionary string of game object, and this is a method. So yeah. Anyway. All right, so now what we can do is that whenever by default we already have a block that's already there. However, I need to actually know where is that blocks? Where is that block? The cube, the cube is placed at that position. What if I put it to 0, 0, 0? Let me check. Okay, that's good. Okay, yeah, I first would like to get rid of that. Hold on. Let me what is that? What do I currently? Okay, I kind of forgot everything. Special objects. Okay, so place quaternion dot. Okay, instantiate. Wait, is it? Wait, hold on. Is it put under this blocks parent? Is it? Oh no, it's not. Okay, hold on. I need to make sure that this instantiate transform parent. There we go. We need to make sure that that goes into that. We need to make sure it goes into that. Where's the special objects? Special objects. Let's see. Blocks parent. Okay, so let's go back to block interact and we'll do block special objects dot script dot blocks parent. There we go. Hopefully now that'll work because we don't want everything to clutter this thing. Yeah. Anyway, so let's see. Go into build mode, okay. And no, it's not. Hold on, let me see. Where is it? Game manager? No. Blocks parent, ray hit. Wait a minute. Where is the special objects? Is it on the camera? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, I didn't set up the parent yet. That's why. There we go. And hopefully now this will work. Let's test it. And I don't see cube spin. Okay, stop spinning. No, stop. Okay, I don't see cubes. Cube clone. Perfect. All right. So yeah, we can build as much as we want, and we won't have to worry about that anymore. Yeah, I still find this really cool. me just break a ton of stuff. However, I really should make sure that you can't break the block at 0, 0. Otherwise, you'll have a bit of a problem. Yeah, I really should make sure that. However, I don't really need. I can. Oh, I think I know how to. I can do this. Yeah. What I have to do is just have to access this dictionary, and by default, we have to do that. So, for the most part, what I need to do is I kind of need to copy like a lot of this. However, in a block manager, we want to place the first block. We don't actually want to place. We don't want the block to be there already because we need the block to be in this already. So right here I'll have a public function which will run it in block interact, and basically what this does is puts the block into this dictionary so that we can actually do certain stuff with it. So public I'll just call it new block, public void new block, and this takes in a game object called new block. Make this capital. Let's put a capital. I don't know. Sorry, it's a coding thing. It's always a coding thing to always put the first letter as lowercase, but I do a new block, but I'll just do new block like that. Anyway, so in this, what we want to do is take a game object and then we'll run it through. And we want to take the new block dot string that name will be set to by default cube. However, we actually need a function to check for duplicates. Yes, we want to make sure that this name is only used once, otherwise there's going to be a bit of problems. And then what we want to do after that is that we want to add it to the add to dictionary. Dictionary. There you go. Add to dictionary. Yeah. So what we want to do now is we want to, in the first one, we're going to make a game object called first cube, and this was equal to instantiate. We're going to special object dot script dot, where is it, prefab, block prefab, then transform, hold on, vector3 dot position, which is a new vector 3. So we'll go 0f 0f 0f, or actually I can just probably new vector 3, and then this one will be quaternion.identity, and then finally to transform the parent we'll do a special object dot script dot special object dot script dot blocks parent. There we go. And that's a long line, but it works. Okay, anyway. Actually, wait, hold on. I don't need this. I can do vector3.0. What am I talking about? Vector3.0. Let me make sure. Yep, that is. There we go. Anyway, then what we do is we call the function new block, and then we pass in first cube. Now I could have actually put this inside this, but I really don't want to. But so yeah. Okay, now we want to do is another public. I think this might just be a private void. Private void check name. So this takes the. Let's just take the game object called ob check obj. There we go. check object. Anyway, so first off, we need to look in the dictionary to make sure that the name, we need to make sure that the name in the dictionary, that in the dictionary, there is no name like this. However, by default, yeah, so we, by default, we'll, so for, okay, whatever. So for each, we want to do game object called, call it block in the blocks dot where is it, value, is it, I think it's value, I believe it's value, is the second one, values is the game object, I believe. Values, hold on, let me make sure. Each for each let me try string called name obj name, or actually block name in the blocks dot keys. Actually, why don't I just do this? I'll do this instead. So because this is just check name. So for each string, we take if check object dot name, if check object dot name equals block name, then we want to do something. Actually, this should be, I think this should be a boolean. By default, we'll make a boolean here called duplicate, and by default this will be set to false. However, if this will be duplicate, will be set to true here. Actually, no, we don't. I don't believe we need to do that. No, I don't believe we need to do that. I think we could just do return true. Return. Wait. Check duplicate names. Check duplicate names. There we go. Return true. Then, if that entire thing manages, we can return false. However, that actually no. Wait. What am I? Wait. No, no. Check names. Check name. Okay, no. My brain is not working today. No, this is not going to be a boolean. We're going to set the name. Okay. What we want to do is, so this goes through each object in the dictionary, checks if the name is taken, then what sets the new name of the object. That's what I wanted to do. There you go. My brain was just dying. Okay, I'm smart. Also, I'm not sure if you can hear drilling out, but I'm sorry. Anyway, so we want to do check object dot name. Okay. How do I do it? Because I really don't want the name to be like clone, like, because that's really annoying. It's really annoying to have it just be like clone, but I did this before. I actually I was able to do this before. I can't remember actually how I did it. I think I might need an integer actually. Yeah, maybe I'll just have int, which will be block count. I guess I'll call it block count. By default, we'll set this to 0, and then we actually need to increase block count plus plus And if the name is taken, actually no, we might need to do this. It checks if the name is taken. Wait, my brain. Okay, hold on. Okay. So, for checks if the name, okay, block count, by default set to 0. So, oh, my brain. Okay, so there's actually a very special case here because what I'm thinking is that we have to do is we take a check object dot name and then we add it with block count dot toString. I mean, that works. However, I remembered specifically is that if there is already a cube named this, what it will do is do something like this with its name, and that's not what I want. I want it to do like this. But clearly it appears to be a little bit of a problem. I guess we also need to check if check object.name.length is greater than, what this is actually going to be is greater than 4 because cube is, and if it's 4, we need to do check object.name minus equals, we do check object.name, then we actually need to get that name. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold up. I need to make this okay. I need to make this a variable because I'm using this way too much. String the name set equal to check object dot so, okay, my brain. Okay. Okay, hold on. I need to see. Okay, if the name, hold on. Okay, no, I can't actually. I don't believe I can do that anymore because this is specifically targeting the object's name, and yeah, I think I need to do that. We need to do check object dot name dot length. And I believe we need to subtract that by 1. Is that necessary? Operator minus equals cannot be type string. Okay. Wait, hold on. How did I do this? How did I remove the last how did I remove the last, okay, I'm trying to remember. How did I remove the last one? Because wait, how did I remove the last one? I really cannot remember. How did I do that? I really want to check, but I really want to check it, but I can't remember. I have to look it up. I have to look it up. I feel sad. Okay. Move character unity. Remove car from string. Let's see. So wait, really? That's a function? Dot remove? Really? Really? I never knew that. Length. Start that by 1 because yeah. Okay, hold on. I need to make sure. Okay, let me do a debug dot. Let me do a debug dot log just to make sure that. Hold on. Actually, no, whatever. Then okay, no, okay. There's actually a problem with this now. This will end up looping forever. This might end up looping forever because I did this. Okay, no, I can't do that. I can't do this. Yeah, I can't do that because otherwise it's just I might once I place more than 9 blocks, it's going to actually going to have a bit of problems. Actually, wait, hold on. Will it? Oh, yeah, I think it's going to have some problems. I don't think I can do this if statement now that I think about it. Once we, yeah, the 10th block. I think what we need to do actually is to check if block count is greater than 10. It's great. Wait, that means I would have to do a digit count, which I can do. I can do that. I know how to do it. Very simple. Um, yeah, I might need to do a digit count, which I don't know if I have a utility function because that one is honestly a utility function. Okay, yeah. I'll make a utility function here. So this will be utility, yeah. Yeah, let's just call it utility. Anyway, let's open it up. So let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of some of these. UI manager, don't need that. Utility. So this one will actually be a static class, a public static class. It will not be using mono behavior. Not even sure if we'll be using the engine public static. Actually, okay, whatever. I don't even know if I needed to make. I don't even know if I need to make it static. Anyway, what I can do is I'll take this public. Wait, what am I saying? What am I saying? I don't even need this. I'll just keep this. Um. Wait. This number to me is. I really don't want to, because I don't want to instantiate the first object and its name ends up being cub. That's really why this is one of the reasons why I'm so like, wait, what? Okay, because I really don't want to end up with that kind of name. Um, but I think I'll just go ahead and see what happens. Anyway, so first off, we need to take the block count. We take block count. Uh, so we take block count dot toString, then we do dot length. Yeah, that works. That actually works. Because if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it wouldn't matter. It works perfectly. However, I'm just afraid that I'm going to end up with cub for the first object. Let's just test it. Let's test this. Okay. Okay, we go to managers. This will be block manager. I believe that I can just put this into block parent. Block manager. Get rid of the cube, and well, let's see how terrible things are gonna be. Name is cube, because I didn't even do the function yet. So hold on. Okay, we need to do check name of new block. Pass in that. All right, here we go. Cube. Okay, you know what? I need to know. Oh, on the first, wait, no, I'm dumb. On the first one, there's no objects in the dictionary. There's nothing in the dictionary, so therefore it can't. When it goes through each of this, it literally has. I'm stupid. There's nothing. There's gonna be nothing. You're not gonna end up with the name cub because there's nothing in the dictionary yet. Right. I'm smart. Okay. The blocks dot add, and we take the new block dot name, and we pass in new block. Here we go. Yay, that's how that works. So now I just need to make sure this works with other blocks. So let me make sure. Its name is clone, because we didn't add this to the function yet. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to make this a variable. So game object, I'll call it a block is equal to this. Then what we want to do is go through the block manager dot adds block to dictionary. Block manager dot script dot, we need to, where's that function? New block, then we pass in a block. And hopefully this will work. If this doesn't work, oh boy, I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of. Does it work? No, it doesn't work. I'm sad. Okay, hold on. Is this a method, or check object dot name is equal to this? Is that what I need to do? Let me make sure, because that might be what I need to do. Oh great, now his name is Cub. No, I don't want that. No. Now the name is Cub. Um, let's try this. Hopefully this works. Um, yep, okay, so that didn't work because it got rid of the thing. Okay. So I think I have an idea now. So we have to do it. We do the if statement again, but this time we have to do is um, check obj.name.length plus we'd get plus block count dot to string dot length is great. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay. Hold on. Wait. So we have a situation where we have this. However, if it's let's say we have 10, if because we can't just do 4, otherwise that would be a problem. So we need to check if um wait, will it work if I just do 4, if I just make it greater than 4? Hold on, let me check that. That might work actually. It might actually work. So if check obj.name.length is greater than 4, this might work. Okay, let's check. Because otherwise we don't need to actually. Let me make sure this works all the way up to 10. Now it's Cub. Okay, great. Great. Hold on. If I'll do 1. Let me check if 1 is the if it works that way. If it ends up going like in a loop, then there's going to be some problems. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Yep. Okay. Block count dot toString dot length. It will become 2 once this hits 10. Once this hits 10, this becomes 2. However, I think we need to do minus block count. Okay, first, we have to do this block count, and we do -1, then dot toString dot length. I think that I believe that should work because that way it bases it off the previous because we started at 0. That's why I have to do that. 10, 11, 12. Now I would have to go all the way up to 100 to actually test if it works up to 3 digits. Oh gosh. But whatever, let's just go crazy. Make sure we're halfway there. I mean, I kind of find it cool that I technically made a block placing simulator right now in Minecraft. Okay, almost there. Okay, down, a few more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it work? Yes, it works, and the only reason why is because I started this at 0. If I started this at 1, I would not have to worry about it, but let's just keep it at 0. I actually, let's start it at 1. Let's just keep it at 1 because, like, it's just making things harder for myself. I can be pretty confident that if it works for the for two digits, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no. I guess it still needs to be -1. Okay. Well, let's just put it back to 0 and then we'll do -1 again. Okay, fine. I'll keep it that way. Anyway. Yay. Okay. So now what we want to do. So I think our thing here works. So now what we need to do is destroy blocks. So we need to destroy the blocks, and whenever we destroy a block, we need to make sure that we need to make sure that to remove it from the dictionary. Otherwise, we'll have a bit of a problem. So public void we'll remove block. So this passes in a new block, and then all we really need to do is to all I really need to do is to remove block, not remove block, the blocks dot remove, and well, new block dot name. However, we forgot to completely forgot to do game object dot call it by block. Why not? Why not by block? So by block. There we go. Now, I believe there should be other things that I should do. There should be other things that I have to do before. There are other things like, for example, if I want to add a hierarchy, I need to actually remove. I need to. What am I trying to say here? I need to actually remove the hierarchy item. That way I can change that. So then it removes hierarchy slot. Yeah, but that one is for a while. But for now, this will work for now. So when we destroy a block, it destroys the game object. So before we destroy the game object, we need to do block manager.script. Oh, hey, I can run it here. But I think that it's best that we do remove block and we pass in game object. So now we need to make sure, because that way that when we destroy a block, we don't get rid of it from the dict. We need to make sure that it gets rid of it from the dictionary. So if we were to destroy 0, yay, there we go. We don't end up with a duplicate. Now, another thing I want to do is when we destroy the block, we want to make sure that it's not the last block. So first we need to check if block manager.script the blocks get length. Where is it? Really? There's no length? Oh, count, my bad. Dot count is greater than 1. Wait, is it's less than 2. That means that there's 1. There's only 1. Less than or equal to 1. What I believe we have to do is to return because we don't want to break the last block. So let me just make sure Actually, I probably should make this a debug.log. So debug.log cannot break last block. Let's just make sure. So yeah, this works now. So we can continuously place and destroy blocks, but we can't destroy the last one. That's great. That's great. Now I'm not sure if I still need this tiny sphere following me around. Let me make sure. Ray hit object. Ray hit. What is ray hit? It's a little tiny sphere. And camera. Yeah, I don't believe I need that anymore, so I'll just get rid of the special objects. We don't need this anymore. So it's just a little visualizer for me. So we can get rid of that. So let me go back to the main camera and see what we have. Ray hit position. So ray hit, goodbye to you. You were very useful in the last episode, but you won't be needed anymore. Your service? You have played your service. Okay. Anyway, I also would like to put this at the bottom just because I want to. Anyway, so yeah, what is it that we're going to do now? I believe that we worked a pretty basic stuff, but like I said, we want to actually have some stuff here. So I guess over here, player info, I can have another panel on the side. This panel will be kind of tiny. Actually, no, it's not going to be tiny. This is going to be our hierarchy. So that so that we can know what blocks are which and where they're placed and all that. So by default, it will be set to there. However, we need to do a button. Take a button. And well, we actually, hold on, I want to anchor it right here. What, I can't do that? Really? Okay, fine. So let's put it outside right here. Like that. And this button, can I rotate it? Oh, I didn't notice this rotation here. Okay, I'm smart. Okay, hold on. Okay, what? Who are you? I don't know who you are. Hi, Looney. Hi. I can't believe it took me forever to actually finally see you. I don't know who you are. Who are you, Looney Knack? Well, you're not really Looney. I don't know if you're. Are you still Looney Knack? Anyway, what is it that I'm trying to do? Okay, do this. Then we bring the. Okay, it's good to see you. Been a while. All right, so then this will be no hierarchy. There you go. And then when we press this, it's gonna make this thing slide because why not? Anyway, I believe that should be in the UI manager though, so we'll have to do some animating. Yes, I'm Looney Knack. Yes, are you still doing redstone? Yes, I am still doing redstone. I mean, I still do redstone. It's just that I'm like not as much. I'm running out of things to do. Also, by the way, never mind. You know what? Or, well, yeah, I'm still doing redstone. Although I'm really running, I really have no idea what to do in redstone. I'm just doing, I just do stuff if I can think of it. What am I doing? All right, animation. I think that's what I want to do. Hierarchy. Okay. So we need to do animate. We're going to do some animations for hierarchy. So first we'll do. I haven't do redstone in a while. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I really don't. Let me just. Okay. Um. Let me just close everything out here. Okay, so right here, no, I don't want to put this in the scripts. Oh, I need to make a new. I need to make a new folder here. I'll call this. I'll call this animate caps lock animations. Animations. There we go. Then we can here. Wait, no. Hierarchy. Hierarchy. And then we do create an animation. Here we go. Yeah, that's the right place. Anyway, we're gonna call this open. There we go. Hierarchy, and all we really need to do is select this. We want to how does this work? I forgot how this works. No, that's not. Transform. No, that I can't remember how this worked. Oh right, I need to press this button. And then you move this like so. It goes right here. Right, no, I need to set the position of where it is. Then I need to go ahead a few frames. I'll do 1/4 of a second and we'll make it do up to there. Just need to make sure it's within the bounds. Great. Come on. There we go. And I believe that should work. So let me play this animation. And there we go. Yay, we have an animation. Very simple animation. I'm not sure if I like the position of the button now that I look at it. Okay, so we have an animation. Now we just have to do the opposite and do it for closing the thing. So let's make a new animation. Create a new clip. This time it will be close. So we close. But we start from. Okay, hold on. Where is that? Okay, let me take the position. Hey, come on, play. So we take this. Oh, well, I gotta go. It's sorry. Okay, well, see ya. Happy face. Yeah. Okay. Nice to see you, Looney. It's been a long time since we talked. Anyway, um, what is it that I am doing? I take this position, which it's 0. Okay, that makes things a lot easier now. This goes to we start. Okay, close. This starts at 0. Okay, never mind. I'm smart. Okay, let's go back to open. Let me just 0, and then that one is 631. 631, 631, 631, 631. Then we start here. 0, 6, 3, 1. Wrong one. Okay, this is 6, 3, 1. There we go. So that's where we start. 0, 6, 3, 1. Then what we do is we put it back to its original position about a quarter of a second later. So this goes hold on. Is that its original position? Hold on. Okay, let's stop the animation right now. Go to close, or no, let's go to, no, go here, hierarchy, open, 0, no, wait, what? Okay, these are the numbers, negative 196 and 827, 827, 196, 827, 196, 827, 196, 827, 196 and 827. There we go. Make sure that's the animation. So close, and this is, I did not change it, so 827. There we go. Dang it, I'm not sure that's saved. No. Okay, work. Okay, finally. Okay. Let me remove that because there we go. There we go. Yay. So now what we need to do is add a new clip, and this clip will just be stay. Stay open, I guess. And then the default will be nothing. It will just stay open will be this. Let's add something and then I'll just go back to 0. And that's what this animation is. That's literally it. Okay, let's go into the animator. So in the animator, we have open, close, and stay open. Here we go. So we want to create an empty here. This one will be called let's rename it to default. It's not going to have any animation so that we can set this as the default state. However, we may need to have a Boolean. So this is how I'm just organizing it so it looks kind of decently, nice, somewhat. So what we have to do is just make transitions, transition, and transition, like so. It's not a tutorial. So then what we do is, and then we bring this to the exit, so that way it all goes back. Just bring this like so around, just so it looks nice. Okay. However, we don't want this to just go around. We want this one. We only want this to. Actually, hold on. Can I do this, and then have it go open, stay open, then close, and then what we can have here is a Boolean called open hierarchy, and when this creates state, we don't really need this to have an exit time. This has no fixed transition duration, 0, and the condition is that open hierarchy is false. Okay. I may need to do a bit of scripting to actually do that, to make it properly do so. I mean, I could make another transition here, but I don't really feel like doing that. Yeah, you know what? I'll have the. I don't really want this to be like a very this since this is just a private project. I don't really believe that I should make it all fancy with the UI. I don't believe it needs like 20 billion animations just for that. I'm only going to be doing some animations, but this is just one of the ones I want to do because why not? Anyway, so in this case, I'll just have in the UI manager, I'll have a public manager. Actually, do I need a hierarchy? I don't believe I need a hierarchy. I don't believe I need a hierarchy at manager because then no, I don't need that. So I just need access to the hierarchy. So public game object hire. So actually, yeah, game object, and we'll call it the hierarchy. You just need access to it. Then in the void start, what we want to do is to get hierarchy dot get component, and we want to get the animator. This will be a private animator called hire anim. So hire anim. What is it equal to this? And let me just make sure that the so let's wait for it to save. Let's go ahead and check if there is in fact a animator. Yes, there is. There we go. So we need to get that component. So, and then what we want to do is in here, you do void. This one needs to be a public void show, and this will be show hide hire. Yeah, okay, anyway. So what we do is hire anim dot set bool. The integer ID, however, we can do the string name. The string name was, wait, what was the string? What was that name? Okay, open hierarchy. Hold on. Okay. I may need, I may need another. Okay, so I guess this one will be take a bool called state. I'll call it state, and then we'll do it like this. However, we want to do is if state is equal to true, not transform, true, we do hire anim dot play, then we play the animation open, and then it'll automatically transition to stay open. UI manager, we need access to the hierarchy. No, okay, this is, and it's, okay, great. I do not know which one is playing automatically. Let me check the animator. Default is playing, but that is not its default. Or, it's currently here. That's not what I wanted it to do. So, on negative 196, I believe, and I believe that was the size. Okay, now let's check. So this is the default. Okay, you know what? Okay, the fact that the camera is just continuously moving around is kind of annoying me. So I should probably make sure that that if I press escape, uh, but I might need to have that as a excuse me. Oh gosh. I think I also would like to have a pause mode, but this one can only be done if this can only be done if you do press escape. So however, if input dot get key down, then we do key code dot escape. What we want to do is set current mode is set equal to mode dot pause. Here we go. Mode dot pause. But we now need a track of where it last. Okay, so I'll have a private mode called previous mode. We only want to do this if we press current. So with that, first off, we take previous mode and set that equal to current mode. And we only want to do this if current mode does not equal to mode.pause. We want to call this, and then we do this. Else we do that. And if the current mode is pause, then we take the current mode is set equal to previous mode. There we go. And that's how it will work. So now we can actually pause. We can actually do pause. And well, we want to do is in camera control. One thing we want to do is in our late update. What we want to do is check if mode manager dot current mode dot is equal to mode dot pause, then we want to return because we don't want to execute anything, just want to stay static. So that's just a temporary thing. So let's go to pause mode. As you can see, we're back to build. Okay, great. Pause, build. Let me go switch to simulate, pause, simulate. Great, it works. So now I can put. Okay, apparently this button, right now this button doesn't do anything. But yeah, we need to, oh hey. What is that? Wait, what? Hold on, let me check something. Wait, hold on. What? Appears that I have some. Really? Wait, my brain is exploding. Wait, what? I have no idea what happened. Okay, so okay, I'm actually going to have two buttons. This is going to be the show, and then I'll duplicate it. This one will be hide. Actually, no, I believe I want to move this down. Just move it down. Like right about there. We also don't want the button to be too big. You don't want the button to be too big, so let's make that smaller. However, it appears that the text is kind of exploding. I have no idea why it decided to explode, so let's just, what? Right, okay, sure. What? Hey, bruh, come on, stop exploding. Okay, why is he exploding? Never mind, he's not exploding, it's just being weird. Come on, stop being weird. No, stop, you're being weird. There we go. Text is freaking larger than the thing itself. That was weird. Just have a tiny little button at the bottom. Make sure it's centered. Oops, I didn't want to hit the Windows key. Okay, that was weird. Let me disable that right now. Okay. Press Alt Center. There we go. Let's check how it looks. It's kind of looks okay. All right, so we want to do. Let's go. Let me go back to Mode Manager. Let me go back to not Mode Manager. Camera Control. Not not Camera Control. UI Manager. There we go. Um, yeah, okay, then I think that should work. So we want to do is add a condition. We take UI Manager. Add this. Then we go to UI Manager, and what we want to do is where is that show hide hierarchy. So this one will be set to true. However, let me duplicate this. This one will be set to false, and this one will be hide. Oh wait. There's one last thing we need to do. I would like to add another condition here just so that we can have it so okay. This takes show takes hide and game object set active to true. But it sets its own self to false. Show game object set active false. Now I know this. I think this is a bit more. Game object set active to true. Game object we could take its own self set active to false. Now let's make sure that the thing works. So nothing's happening. And why is that? Is the button not doing anything? Why is the button not doing anything? It's a raycast target, yes. Is the text blocking everything? Because I hope not. Let me get rid of this text because maybe the text is blocking the. It's weird. It's not even highlighting. There's a button, right? It's interactable. Okay, what? What? Okay, I'm confused. Why is it not interacting? Come on, mate. Wait, what? Wait. What? I'm so confused. Why? Okay, you're being weird. I don't like you. You're supposed to be pinned to this. Hierarchy. Work with me, please. Please. Come on, mate. What? Okay, why? Just why? What? Why? Come on, man. That's not cool. I'm so confused. It's not even highlighting, that's which is weird. Does the hierarchy need to be visible? I'm so confused. Why? Just why you have to be like this? I'm so confused. Okay, I'm really freaking confused. What? Okay, hold on. Maybe it's because I have to. Okay, let me go back to camp controls. Okay, what governs lock cursor? Lock cursor. Find lock cursor. Wait, what? Rotate cam. Okay, rotate cam. It's a temporary variable. Um, I think rotate cam can depend on, okay, if mode, okay. Okay, I'm so confused. Maybe we could do this. Wait, oh, stop. Okay. This can go, maybe this one could go up here. However, rotate cam will be set to false. Else we'll set rotate cam equal to true. Because yeah, that's weird. Okay. It's a public temporary variable, but it really. Okay, now it works. However, it didn't play the animation. So the button works now. I figured out why, because so this one will be hide. However, we need to one will take hide, then the game object active will be set to true. There we go. Same thing, but the opposite. Game object set active, like so. Now it's not, now for some odd reason it's not playing the, it's not playing the animation, so in case it's true, it should play this animation. And the animator is saying stay open, however, wait, what? Stay open. Wait, what the heck? What? Whoa. Okay, let me delete these keyframes. Okay, what? Stay open. That means, oh, that means all of these are, oh, is this one also a fail? Yeah, this one's also a fail. Okay, I have to redo these animations. Great. Okay, open. How do you work? Nope, that was fail. These are all fails. Okay, great. Great, 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 great. So let's actually do this. Let's try this again. Open. It starts at its current position. So just change something here. 3, 4. And then we change it over here. And this goes to 0. This should go to 0. And that should be the open animation. Now for the close. For close, it starts at 0, then a quarter of a second later, it goes to negative 214. Here we go. No, there you go. Here, now for stay open, all we really need to do is set this to 0. Set this to 0, and then we're done. Close, open. Yay. Okay, there we go. Hopefully now that works. But let's not press the wrong buttons. And there we go. Oh, I'm sad. Hide. This should be false. That's why. Okay. Let's do some animations. And it didn't work. What's going on? Okay, by default I'm pressing the hide first. I want to actually have show. So I don't know why it's like spazzing out like when it goes. Oh yeah, it works. It works. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I hate. Why does that happen? What? No, why are you doing that? No. I don't want to make another animation. I don't want to make an animation just for the. Fine. I'll make it. I'll make an animation for default. Okay, let me get rid of this thing. All right, fine. You win. This will be the default. Yay. And in default, we'll simply, all we really need to do is to keep it in its same exact position like that. Simple. That's literally all default is. I don't know why I need that. Let me set this to the default. This is default, yes. There we go. Hopefully that, yeah, hopefully that works now. Okay. Hierarchy. Yay, okay. I don't know why you need to have that, but okay, fine, sure. Here we go. It works pretty nicely if you ask, if you say so myself. If I have to say so myself. Yeah, it's like it's pretty satisfying. I don't know, it's really satisfying to watch. Okay, there we go. We have an animation. Okay. Now, obviously, like I said, I don't want this to be. This is okay. So this is the hierarchy. So what can we? Okay, what can we add? So I actually want something called a. I want to. Where is this? Not input field. Scroll bar, drop down, input field, scroll view, I believe. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, scroll view. We don't need any horizontal. This is a bit, I kind of forgot how to deal with this, but I think I kind of remember how. I somewhat remember. I kind of remember this. Not too well, but okay. I'll also have a panel on the, no, not there, a panel here. So then we'll put this over here, and this one hierarchy. I think this one we can remove the image component. Okay, then here what we could do is we'll set this higher up. We're gonna add a text component. Can I add a text component text? Fine. Okay, fine. I'll add a text like so, even though it looks kind of ugly. So this is the hierarchy. And then we just set this in the middle, like so. Make the font a little bigger. Not that big. I think that's fine. Let me just edit that just a bit because now it looks weird. Bottom. I think that's fine. There we go. And that should be our thing. So, I mean, obviously there's nothing in it yet, but hopefully now let's see. Yeah, there's nothing in it yet. So, there's nothing inside so, but what we need to do is in this vertical, we take our sliding area, viewport, content. Okay, there we go. Content. So yeah, how am I going to do? So what I'm going to do now is I'll have another. This is going to be another prefab. So this one will be a hierarchy slot. There we go, hierarchy slot. However, we don't want it that big, so we're gonna change it so that it's kind of small. We don't want this to be transparent. We want this to be visible. And I'll set this to a gray, some sort of gray. So how do I? No, we don't want it. We want it to be. Like, I guess we can do it like this. We also want the height. I'll make it 32. And well, once again, we want to just reset the height. Reset it. Set it to there. Okay. And next, what we want to do, I'm kind of curious, what happens if I duplicate this? No, okay. Hierarchy slot. Kind of curious. How should I do this? This one, okay, from what I know is that this one will have the name. This one I know for sure will have the name. Let me make sure that's the right color. Has the name, it's centered out, and this one will be the object, the block name. Now, I want it so that when you click on this thing, this actually should be a button, my bad. This is not going to be a panel. So it should be a button. Let me make this a button. Let me set this out to the up here. And then let's properly set up everything. So you go here and then right there. And then we want make sure that the text is not a raycast target. This will be this will be block name. Let me set this black again. Then the button, the normal color, we want this to be I want this to be I don't know, just make it some gray color. The highlight color, yeah, we'll make it like a whitish, brighter. Pressed will white. All right, let's just look at how it is. see, hierarchy. Yeah, that works. Okay, so now hold on. Let me look at that again. I just realized the hierarchy. It's kind of okay. Maybe if I add more stuff to it, it'll add the scroll. Now, there's one question I kind of have. Um, oh yeah, right. I forgot about that. Okay, so what I can do is add a grid, like some grid layout group. So we don't want it like that. So I'll change the Y cell size to 32. This is what I wanted to do. Okay, then we change it to 195. Start axis. We start this in start horizontal, vertical, middle center. No, upper center, like so. And let me just make sure that when I duplicate this, yay, it works. Yep, that's okay. That's how I okay. That I remember. Okay, so then this one, the button, this will be hierarchy slot. Hierarchy slot. There we go. And well, this will be a prefab actually. So we now what we want to do is actually whenever we place a block, we need access to this hierarchy. We need access to this hierarchy. And how am I going to do this? Each no, okay, I think what I can do is I can have a block interact. Inside the block interact, we need a public hierarchy slot. Hierarchy. Well, how can I do this? Uh, okay, hold on. Let me go to special objects, and then we'll have a block prefab. This one will be public game objects. This one will be hierarchy slot. Let's just do higher slot. Then what I could do is, yeah. Dear gosh, my brain. Okay. So when we add a new block, we not only do we need to add it to the dictionary, we also need to add a hierarchy slot. So I guess right here, what we need to do is when we do a new block, okay, I get it. I have an idea. Okay, so scripts in our script, I want to add a new C# script called hierarchy slot. Now in this, we'll have will have a few things. One of them is this one will be mono behavior. However, we don't need, actually we need using Unity engine .ui. And this one will have a public text. This will be the block name. And that's actually all I really have, but that's all I really have. But right now we also need public game object called a block. So in this we'll take a public void, not void object, no, public void, and here we'll take add, have a slot. Just have it add block. Okay. I just realized add block. Sorry, hold on a second. I just realized add block. Okay. There we go. Okay, I don't know why I thought that. I don't know why I'm so stupid. Anyway, um, so all this is, this takes in a game object called the new block, and then what we do is a block is set equal to new block. Then what we do is block name dot text is set equal to new block dot name. There we go. That should be that's how it's going to work. Okay. So that's really honestly right now what it's going to be, but right now what we're going to do is public void remove block. This is actually going to do a, oh, hold on. My laptop's here looking a bit messy. Doesn't look nice. Come on, man. Be clean. Okay, hopefully I think it's kind of clean now. Okay, public void, remove block, and simply put, all this really does is it actually just destroy game object. Yeah. However, that's actually all it really does, because we don't need to set these to null. We don't need to do anything like that. We just need to destroy the game object. That's all we really need to do. So what we can do now in the, don't need mode manager, don't need cam control. I don't believe we need the UI manager right now. I don't believe so. So in the block manager, what we can do is when we add a hierarchy slot, what we do is instantiate, and we need a reference to this. I'll make a reference to this just in case. It's called the slot instantiate a special object dot script dot higher slot, and then this will go to the transform. So we actually need a reference to that. So I'll have a public transform called, this is where our the hierarchy. So this is going to place it in the proper the proper place, the proper slot. Okay, the hierarchy. That's really all we really need to do. And then what we need to do is to get component. We need to do. What I want to do now is to go into the hierarchy slot, then call this function. So we do slot dot get component, then we do hierarchy slot, then we call add the block, and then what we do is we pass in new, okay, I don't want to confuse myself. Let's just do the block, and let's just properly rename stuff. Hold on. Let me make use of this function. This will be now set to the block. There we go. Yay, the block. There we go. The block. Then we pass in new block, like so. Okay. Hold on, let me make sure that the, okay, check name is done before, then it adds it to the dictionary. Okay, now what we need to do is we do by block dot, okay, now this is a bit awkward because now I have to find the hierarchy slot. Okay. So I guess what we have to do now is for each game object called slot in the hierarchy, what we want to do is get the component. Is we want to do this slot dot get component hierarchy slot, and then we check dot a block. Why don't I even call it a block? I just need to call it block. Okay, let me go back to hierarchy slot. Let me rename this capital block. Let's do that. Block manager. Okay, dot block. We need to check if by block is equal to slot dot get component hierarchy slot dot block. We want to do is we want to call okay, this needs to be, this will be slot script, and this will be equal to this, not dot block. So if slot script, right, hierarchy slot, hierarchy slot. Let me fix this. Come on, hierarchy slot. So slot script dot block. Right. Okay. There we go. I'm trying to do stuff. Okay. If it's like this, then we want to do is to call slot script dot remove block. That's all we really need to do. And hopefully this will work. Okay. I have a feeling something's wrong. The hierarchy slot, we need to actually add the hierarchy slot script to it. Hierarchy slot. By default, it should be empty. Oh, the text is going to be its own text. So, but yeah, everything else we need to. Okay, so we have that. Okay, right now it works. So let me make sure that the prefab. Okay. That's okay. Let's test it. So in the first, it should create a higher slot. Okay, we forgot to add it into the special objects. I'm smart, so let's put it in the higher slot. Okay. Go. And there's nothing in there. Yay! Great. Okay, great. Did I instantiate the hierarchy? Right, I need to actually set it there. The hierarchy, this is block manager. Okay, block manager, where are you? Blocks parent, here we are. Blocks parent, then we go to content. Is there anything there? Object network. Slot. What? What? Wait, what? It's here. What do you mean? Okay, hold on. Slot clone. Okay, apparently it didn't. Okay, that's weird. Let me go back to. Why didn't it? Okay, it didn't get the script. Right, I think I forgot to actually apply the. I'm smart. Okay. Yes, I am 1,000 billion% smart. Okay. Hopefully now this we can apply all. Let me delete it now. Okay. Hopefully now this works. Did it work now? Yay, it has a name. So now we can actually let me build. You can see we have 1 billion cubes now, and oh gosh. Whoops. Looks like we have a bit of a problem with the content. This is not what we want to do. We want this to be start axis horizontal. However, we don't fixed column count. Constraint, we only want one. Fixed column count. Okay, let's see if that works. Build. Right, pause. And it's not scrolling. That's great. Why is that so? Let me check the scene. Viewport, scroll view. Come on, mate. Where are you? Why are you not visible? The content is literally okay. What? Okay, scroll view. What? Okay, what? Moment tag elastic. Why is it not showing though? It's going up to 10. However, how many blocks are there? You have 14 cubes. Why is it only going up to 10? Weird. Should go. It should continue to. Sliding area, scroll bar, vertical. Need to decrease its size. 0.5. Is that controlled? I don't know why it's doing that, but viewport, scroll view, scroll bar vertical. Why is it not doing that? I don't know why. I don't know why it's actually. I'm actually really confused right now. Why? The viewport. I'm so confused. It's only. What happens if we make this permanent? So obviously there's a lot more stuff in this hierarchy. But for some odd reason, it's not picking it up. Viewport. Hold on, what is that? A brain. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Seriously, come on. Movement type, permanent. Okay, what is this? What is this that I'm messing with first off? That's weird. It's still not doing. Okay, it's not doing anything, so that was useless. Okay, I have to look this up. I don't know what's going on. Unity slider not working. I don't really know exactly what is it. Slider. Oh, scroll view, I'm in. Okay, let's see. Wait, hold on. Scroll view, content. Hold on, let me make this small. Let me see what happens. Is content expanding? No, it's not. So that's not the problem. Set that to upper left because it's, yeah. What is it? These questions. I'm confused. Okay, what? They're being parented to the right one, right? So yeah, it's parented right here, and it's. I mean, this works, but appears not to. Doesn't appear to be doing anything. Scroll bar. It had to make the parent bigger. What parent? Normal reminder that you must have the parent bigger size and the scroll rect size. Okay, what? The scroll rect I'm guessing that's the viewport. Viewport. This looks like it's automatically set. I'm so confused. Why are you not working, bro? What did I even say? Why you're not working? Come on, man. Work. 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 You know you're not working. Movement type. Clamped? Let's try that. Nope. Doesn't appear to work. Should I just... what is going on? Driven by scroll rect, but where's scroll rect? It's not even here. Oh, it's here. Viewport. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna restart that because I have no idea why it's not working. Scroll view. Let's try this again. So it goes like this, and to the end, and like so. So now everything is just as it is. Just need to reset. We just need to set up everything again. Content, grid layout group, cell size 32. Blocks parent sets to the content. Okay. Okay, great. That's not what I wanted to do, but nope, it's still not updating. Why? Can I just not do that or something? Okay, you know what? Let me get rid of that. Let me try and add another panel, but this panel will be remove the image component, and this one will be a grid layout group. Let me also put a prefab here so it actually looks nice. So over here, cell size, increase that to 205. 200, let's just do 200. 200. And we also want to fix column count of 1. And maybe this will be our place to put it. Let's try that. Build. No, it's not working. I don't know why. I seriously don't know why, because I remember it worked so well before. I managed to do this before, and now it's not doing anything. And now for some reason I can't break blocks. I can't break blocks anymore. What? What? Okay, okay, now for some reason I can't break blocks, which is weird. Block placed. What? It's not destroying the block though. It didn't destroy the block. I managed to go through this, but why is it not destroying the block? Block manager. Maybe because there's an error here. Let me get rid of that. Let me just hide. Let me get rid of this first. Hopefully now, yeah, it worked. Okay, so it's just because of that. Okay, the hierarchy is currently wrong. So block manager. But wait, why is it wrong? I mean, it's there. Slot. Huh? Wait, what? The hierarchy. Invalid in the hierarchy. This is in blocks manager, right? So the hierarchy is this. But what? I'm confused. I'm so confused. Why? Why is it not valid? What does that actually mean? Specify cast is not valid. What do you mean by that? Oh, I think get child is a method dot game object. Wait, what? Huh? That shouldn't work. Can you do transform? Okay, let's try that now. Let's try that. Maybe that's why. Build mode. Okay, it works now. Build mode. Build. Now I just need to figure out why the frick this. Why is it not? Just why? Okay, that's weird. You're weird. Okay. Why? I'm so confused. We don't need the horizontal, but like, what is going on? I mean, what the heck? Okay, why? Bar. I don't know. I'm just trying this. Why? Just come on, man. Just build. Let's actually just build stuff and see if I alter that. If I alter this, it's not doing anything. Okay, that's great. I'll make content extremely tiny. I don't know what's going on. I'm so confused because this work. I've worked with this before, and for some reason, it's not working. Uh, a content size to filter. Huh? Content size is not changing. It's not changing at all. Okay, maybe I should not rely on. Like, I can't. I don't know. I don't understand. I'm so confused. Why is this not working? I might need to reference. I might need to go refer to my other project and see what the heck I did there. So I'm just gonna hold on. I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, I have no idea what the heck is going on. Okay, opening up this random program that I made a while back that for some odd reason 100% works, unlike the one I have now, which is annoying me. Okay, let me just bring everything back. Okay, so what is it? Okay, so what did I do here? What did I do here? What did I do? So in this one, we have a canvas. No, edit mode, hierarchy. Scroll view. Okay, what is it? We have viewport, content. And make the content a lot bigger. Let's see how that works. Let's see. I mean, but the thing is like, oh, oh, I think I have an idea. Okay, so the content size, actually, the size of the content needs to. How do I do that though? It's not that I need to do. I need to actually just put this here. Let me put all these values in 200. This one be 32. Then we want this to be if it fixed column count. Then however, let me hold on. Let me do some work here. Oh, okay. So apparently my thing that mine doesn't work either. Okay, that was great. So I need to actually have this become larger. Wait. Okay, wait, stop. Okay, stop. I almost closed out. I almost closed out OBS. That's not what I want to do. Okay. So we want to auto size content. There we go. That's what we want to do. Automatically increase the size of the content. So is that the one I need to do? A content size filter. The minimum size. Let's check. Okay, build. Let's build stuff. Build. Okay. Okay, it's going to 11. Build, and it's still not working. Oh, hey, there you go. Minimum size. Okay, minimum size. That's how we want it to work. However, we have a very useless horizontal scroll bar. We don't want that at all. Can I just get rid of this because I really don't need it? Just how about okay? No, I can't hide it. Because yeah, I'm not gonna use the horizontal thing. I'm not gonna use the horizontal thing. I'm not gonna use it. So what can I do to get rid of it? Can I just get rid of can I just get rid of this horizontal one? Okay, that's not working. I have a better idea. We just expand that. Okay, there we go. It will be hidden forever. No one will ever know. Okay, yeah, it works. So now we can just spam as many blocks as we want. And let's see, we currently have, I believe there should be 53. Yes, there we go. We have enough, and we want to destroy blocks. Yay, it works. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy now. Oh my gosh, I'm happy. Yay. Okay. Now let's actually build something. I actually want to build something. Yeah, this is Minecraft, all right. 100% Minecraft. Wait, what? What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on, mate. Hold on. Okay, wait. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me just build all this stuff and get rid of this and build. Why was it that it was, let's destroy a lot of these blocks. Why is there duplicates? That's my question. Huh, what happened? Okay, so right now, over 10 is currently taken. So why is that? Because 10 is currently taken. Oh, I know what it is. I know. So, I may need to actually have a number in each block. That's not going to be fun. So basically my problem now is that because there are the amount of blocks inside the, yeah, that's not how it's gonna work. We actually, I think we need to have a public integer inside this, and then this keeps track of the number, the name of the number inside of its name. Yeah. I really don't want to call them by like clone or whatever, but there appears to be a bit of a problem. I don't want to have it so that I change the name of the blocks. That change the name. I think that's definitely something I don't want to do. Um, what I need to do, yeah, I think honestly, what I have to do is just have a public int called block num, and inside of this we have to we need to actually set block num by default will be set to 0. However, we need to go through each of these and check if block num is taken. So in this case, I don't believe block count is fitting. So, but by default, actually, I think I'll still use block count. However, we need to, rather than check the name, rather than doing this, rather than just doing this, if it finds a duplicate, it changes the name. Wait, hold on. Let me look at how the hierarchy kind of goes, how it goes through everything in the hierarchy. So in the block key. So it first starts off like this. So it's kind of, this is kind of how it looks like in our dictionary. However, if I remove, let me destroy this. Oh, wait. So there are currently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 7. So if I was to place through, so there's now 8. Come on. Build. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goes to 11. Huh. I wonder why. Okay, so let's scroll this down. 11, 15. Okay, hold on. The sensitivity of this is very, very, let's change that to like 10 or something. This is really, it's too small. Okay, so now if we destroy a lot of these, so now it should go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over 10 is taken, so it'll go to, okay, what is going on? Maybe I have to get into the higher. Okay, let's try now. Let's get rid of some of these. Need to recreate that bug. So it's 2, 5, because 5's already taken. Or no, 1. Wait, did I not delete the? Hold on. Where's 0, 1? Wait, did it not delete? Hold on. Is it not deleting the destroy block script block manager.script remove block? So remove block. Oh, we're not destroying. We're not removing it from the hierarchy. That no wonder why. Okay, that's so good. Okay, we're not removing it from the dictionary. So actually, no wait. What? No, it's here. What? I'm so confused. This removes 5 block from the dictionary. So my brain is dying again. Okay, go to build, see a hierarchy. So 0, you destroy it because it should be 0. You destroy 0, it should still be 0. Okay, let me destroy some blocks here. Start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is already taken. Let me destroy everything again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6? Wait, what? What? Okay, let me look at my code here for a second. What is that? Um, I may need to. I need something to. I need like something to see inside the. So I'm just going to have a public variable here. So this is just going to be a temporary variable. However, this will be a public int. This will be dictionary count. So in our do void update, what we want to do is check. So this dictionary count is equal to the blocks dot count. So now we can see how this changes over time. So by default, it should be set to 1. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. It's not 13, 12, 11, 10, 8. So right now, we get rid of some of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 9 is already taken. 9, 10, 11, 1, what? Okay, what? I'm so confused. Hold on a second. no clue what the heck. Stop. I have no clue why. Hold on, let me go to block interact 2. So when we destroy the block, we would do remove block. Okay, this obviously has to be the last. Then I want to debug. Okay, I have a lot of debug.logs. I might want to interact. Well, let me get rid of this because this is honestly kind of being annoying. It's too much. There's too much stuff going on. I also want to do a debug.log right here. So debug.log. No, let's do it in the block manager script. Block manager. So what we want to do is debug.log the blocks dot get key contains key by block dot name. Okay. Hopefully this will give us a bit more insight as to what the heck is happening, because I don't even, that's really confusing. Look at my hierarchy, destroy all these blocks. 3. What? Okay, what? That makes no sense. Why? I don't get why this is happening. Okay, what? I'm so confused. Like, okay, this looks logical, right? Okay, so we have int duplicate amount, a duplicate count, and it checks if the name okay, hold on, let me bring back this debug log. However, I want to do it like this. I'll do it before and let's see how it looks like. Because if it says it's false, even though it is, then there's something wrong there, obviously. So, it's even, I can't even see where is it picking these numbers from anyway, too. That's kind of strange. So 2. It's true. However, after we do it, it's false. And it's currently false. It's false again. Okay, what I need to do is we need to check if the blocks dot contains key dot contains key new block dot name equals to false, then we can do this. However, then this will mean that something's might not actually get might not actually work. So okay, let's see. Let's get rid of that one. Let's clear it out. Huh. It believes that it doesn't. It believes that it doesn't contain that, even though it does. That's weird. Go to the block. How about this? Let me go to the blocks parent and see for myself what are the names of these. So let me delete one. This one. All of you. Okay. So one. Now 5 is being duplicated. Actually, why am I going through the dictionary? Now that I think about it, why am I going through the dictionary? What I should be going through is actually the place where I put these objects. Is it in the special objects? Blocks parent, yeah. So rather than that, we should do for each transform called block in special objects.script dot blocks parent. There we go. And then what we can do here, okay. So what we first take is block dot name if block dot name is equal to check object dot name check object dot name. Then we want to do some things. I was almost streaming for 3 hours. Okay. What we want to do here is that we want to change the name. Okay. One, we want to do duplicate count plus plus. Then we change the name. Okay, yeah, then we change the name. So check object.name is plus equals duplicate count. Actually, hold on. Should I do another for each loop? That actually seems more appropriate. Another for each loop. Transform. Because this seems, I think this is more safe. This block. Okay, and in special. Um, wait. So this is necessary. I may want to make a string. Okay. String. Oh, a dummy. String dummy. This will be check object dot name. Then we plus duplicate count. Hold on, wait. Okay, so we do this, then we this if this block dot name equal to dummy, then we want to do dummy. Actually, I'm starting to not see the use of that. Okay. I mean, it actually seems more safe if I do it, but it seems like I'm just duplicating everything. Literally, it looks like I'm just literally just copying the code and then putting it inside of itself again, which is why I don't know why I'm doing another for each. I mean, it would be more safe to do that. I believe it, yeah, it would be more safe to do it that way. But, yeah, it's like at that point it's going to be like you're going to be doing infinitely many for each loops inside of each other, which is obviously not going to happen. But okay, what is it though? What is it I originally did? Okay, we do duplicate count and we do plus plus. Then what we originally do is do check object. Then we do check object dot name, and we equate that to, we add that with duplicate count dot to string. However, we need to check if check object dot name dot length, not lasting, length is greater than name length. Well, we need to do duplicate. We need to do check object dot name set equal to check object dot name dot remove, and we should do name length. Hopefully this works. Hopefully. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, let me just hide this stuff for now. Cube 1. For some odd reason, it decided that there was a duplicate, even though there was nothing inside. That's weird. Cube 1. The only reason it would do that is if it found a duplicate, which there is none. What? If block.name right. Okay. Maybe we need replace the block. Automatically its name is set to cube. Oh, okay. We need to make sure that the object is not itself. If also we need to make sure that block does not equal to check object block dot game object does not equal to check object. Yeah, that's important. That's very important. Otherwise, you will be things will be very weird. Come on. Okay, build mode. Cube. Okay. So yeah, let's just look here. Perfect. And it's probably still going to replicate. I'm still going to probably be able to replicate the weird behavior. Let me get rid of some of you now. Get rid of Q. Huh. It perfectly works. What do you know? The more you know. It works. I'm actually pretty happy about that. Yay. Okay, now I want to do is to what I want to do now is to make sure that it works with custom names. So let's say if I make this cub, let's change it to cub. Will it actually still work? Yep. Oh no. Oh no. Doesn't work. Great. Okay. Doesn't work. That's perfect. Okay, hold on. Let me get rid of this debug.log. Now for some reason it can't tell. So what we need, so it sets a new object. So the name is fine. I believe the name it's setting the name fine. Get rid of that. Build. Okay. 3. Okay. I think. Yeah, I'm starting to see the purpose of that for each loop again inside. What we want to do is have a temporary string where it does all this. Okay, we have a string called check string. We'll call it check string, and this will be equal to object.name. However, for each what we want to do is do a for each. We want to run through this again. However, we want to call it something else like child block. So let me just indicate that this is a completely new. So if duplicate count will be used. So right away, what we want to do is duplicate count plus plus. Okay, check string, that will be plus equals duplicate count dot to string. Can I do it without doing that? Really, that works? Does that really work? Okay, just give me a moment. I need to test if that works. Do I have to do toString? Yep, okay, yeah, I do. Okay, dot toString. There you go. Okay, fine, I'll do it that way. Dot toString. Okay. All right. Dot toString. So We reached 3 hours. Yay. Okay. I don't know how long I'm gonna be doing this. I really want to get this. I really want to be able to do this. This name check duplicator. Not duplicator, but like yeah, whatever. So what we want to do is if check. Oh wait, hold on. You do this after we make this if check string dot length is greater than name length. Well, we do string is set equal to check string dot remove. And we do name length. However, yeah, we need to make sure once again that we need to once again make sure that if I think this is just a double measure, so I actually kind of just need to copy paste this entire just copy this and then paste it there. However, duplicate count might have to be just start at 0 then. And well, I think it might as well be right here instead. I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's see. I'm pretty sure this is not going to, yeah, it didn't work. Count. Right, we actually need to set the, after all that, we need to do check obj.name is set equal to check string. That's what we need to do now. For some reason decided to start at 3, but okay. 0, 1, wait, wait. No, we don't want to do that. Okay, I'm smart. Okay, so we need to do this. Wow, I'm literally repeating this same exact code. It's literally a loop inside a loop. Wow, okay. Child block dot name equals check equals to check string and child block does not equal dot child block dot game object does not equal to check bj. Then we want to do this. Wow, this is actually a pretty big, pretty heavy countermeasure. This, yeah, lots and lots of stuff. Here we go. It's completely separate for each loop, so just making that it's really long. It's really long. Build mode. Okay. I am so upset with this thing right now. Oh my gosh. Why? Even with this double for each loop, there's literally, you have a for each loop inside a for each loop, and somehow, okay, that means that this entire other for each loop is kind of useless, okay? Okay, so duplicate count. Why you gotta be like this? Duplicate count. Actually, hold on. This might still be useful, but it's really getting convoluted. My brain is, so we have check string. Even despite going through literally 2 for each loops, it somehow manages to miss that the name is exactly the same as another one for some odd reason. Let's just see how it works. So 1, 2, 3. And for some odd reason now, what? What? I don't even know what this dictionary, what is this dictionary even doing? Do I even need a dictionary now that I think about it? Okay, you know what? I'll do this in another episode. My brain is not working anymore. I think I need a break. Okay, it's been 3 hours, so yeah. Well, yeah, I think we did. I think we accomplished a lot. However, there are a lot of buggy things that we need to work with, as you can see. Yeah, there are quite a bit of things we need to fix in terms of what the heck is going on. For some reason now it's completely working fine. And now for some odd reason it thinks that, okay, this is weird. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Things are weird. I need to fix this some other time. My brain is not entirely working. So that's about it for now. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.